Guys, my name's Lee Carter with Lee C Parts in the Scrap Life Garage. Have you ever dreamed of taking a car that looks like this and turning it into something that looks like this? Of course you have. Now, did you know you can rebuild your dream car and compete in the Copart Rebuild Challenge at the same time? Oh, you didn't? Let's go talk about it. The Copart Rebuild Challenge lets you put your build up against all the other wild and crazy builds, a lot of which started out looking like my Dodge Demon here. And of course, there are prizes. The builds are voted on by the public and the winners get serious gift certificates from Copart to use on whatever you want to rebuild next. So whether you're building the perfect track toy like the Porsche Cayman GT4 I just rebuilt, or something a little more ambitious, get ready because the challenge opens for submissions on June 19th. Be sure to use our promo code SCRAPLIFE20 to save 20% when you register as a member on Copart.com, and good luck with whatever you choose to rebuild.